How to install 3-light LNC drum-shaped semi-flush mount. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Adjust arms to the proper position. Carefully and gently pull the outlet box wires through the mounting plate. Attach mounting plate to outlet box with mounting screws. Twist plastic wire connector until wires are tightly joined. Wrap each connector with approved electrical tape. Be sure that no wire strands are exposed and tuck all wires into the outlet box. Align the holes in the canopy with the mounting screws. Attach the canopy using ball knobs. Unscrew the screws. Install the screws through the glass shade to screw the end of the arms. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.